So you guys know that I recently colored my hair back black, and it's supposed to be like a blue black, but I think my lighting is so bright that it takes away from the darkness. But yesterday I colored my hair and I put it in these twists, and I left the conditioner in. Then I washed it out of my hair. I'm loving it. The curls are looser in the front, but that's okay. But the products I'm going to use, I'm going to do something new. I'm using the Aphogee Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer because it strengthens and builds body and protects color. And my hair is colored, so that's why I'm going to use that. And then I'm going to use this Keratin and Argan leave-in conditioner because it's going to hydrate my hair, and it's going to have like the oil that I need. It's a leave-in. So I'm not going to add any serum. You guys, if you watch my videos, you know I do a leave-in or a heat protectant. Then I do a serum before I blow dry, after I blow dry, but I'm not going to do that now. So we're going to see how you saw how it turned out, and just let me know what you think. But just watch my steps and see if you can tell a difference from my previous videos, and I'll tap some above just so you guys can have like a quick link to it. But I'm taking my Babyliss blow dryer, and first I did just the stretch method just to get some of that water out. Then I took the brush and I started doing it regularly. But I need my concentrator, and everything is packed away and I need to unpack it, but I have a lot of stuff, but I'm going to unpack it. But look at this right here. This Babyliss, I've been using it for about 3 to 4 years, maybe 3 years now, and this has happened to me. This will be the third time that this situation has happened. The end of the dryer, your hair will get tangled inside of it, and it will ravel around. Your hair will go inside the end of the blow dryer, and it has a fan, so of course it whirls it around, and it could quite possibly cause damage to your hair. It has happened to me when I was doing a client's hair. It really happens when someone has longer hair or medium length hair, and it's long enough to get inside the fan, and that worries me. And I'm like, this has never happened to any other my blow dryers, but I like this blow dryer. But look, I have to detangle right there. I love the how the blow dryer works when it comes to drying and straightening your hair, but that ends, I'm like, I have to find a new blow dryer. And also this video has helped me to see that I need a new blow dryer and I need a new flat iron, because I've been using that FHI Elite for about 4 years now. And I'm just ready to look for new products, something a little bit more professional, because these are quality professional products, but tools. But I'm looking for something else, something a little better. So if you guys have any suggestions on that, let me know. Comment down below and let me know the products that your hairstylist uses, or your friend or your mom or you may use, that are quality professional products. Let me know. So I'm done with my blow dry, and my hair is looking pretty okay. It's looking good. And now I'm going to flat iron my hair with the FHI Elite flat iron. Look at it. I use it a lot. It has done me well. It has made some beautiful hairstyles, but I feel like I need to move on, find something else, find something a little better. I feel like it's getting old and it's not doing the job like I need to. Before, I could just go down, and with one pass, now I feel like I have to press down on it really hard, and I have to readjust, so it makes me have more passes. And y'all know I'm the one pass queen, okay? So the fact that I have to readjust my hand and apply pressure to get its the full benefit of it. And then when I'm applying pressure, it leaves those indentations in your hair, those little, streaks in your hair, like you almost want to crimp it. I don't like that, and I have to do that with this now. So it's time to move on, and I have some in mind, but I'll have to do a little bit more research. But yeah, so I'm going to just go ahead and do the same thing to my entire head. And I just want to say I am loving my black hair. I just can't get enough. Sydney looked at me and she was like, Mom, you look so different. I'm like, Sydney, I only had that blonde hair for a year. You know me all your life with the black hair. She was like, I know, but a year is a long time. 365 days. So I just think she forgot how I looked with my all black hair. And she was like, you look cool with your black hair and your glasses on. I was like, oh, thank you, Sydney. Y'all, she builds me up. She lifts her mother up, okay? She makes me feel good even on my bad days. So I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch and let me know what you think. So now I'm at the front of my hair, and I don't want to do my edges a lot. I just want to, because I just colored my hair and I want my edges to relax, and then I don't want to agitate. Look at those crimps. That's what I'm talking about. Did y'all see how smooth it wasn't flat ironing? Anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm in the front of my hair, and I realized that not using serum, it really made my hair lightweight and flowy, and it had a lot of movement. But I believe that I'm a serum girl. I like how it looks. When you add the serum, it looks a little bit shinier. It's a little bit more straighter. Now, I don't want to say weighed down, but you can see that it lays right. And I'm that type of girl. I like a little weight to my hair. It still moves and it's flowy, but it has a little weight to it, and it looks more straighter, or it has like a, what I want to say is like it has a relaxed look to your hair. Like as this one, it doesn't really look, I don't know how to say it. It looks good. It looks shiny, but when you add that serum to it, it gives it a different look. Like, comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. But it still is flowy and nice. So I guess I have to get used to this, but I think on the next time I do my hair, it will have serum in it. Another thing, my hair has been through so much this year. Like I said, I had that blonde color for a year. I straightened my hair at least 4 times within a year. I had so much breakage. My hair has been through so much. I have trimmed it and I want to trim it again, but I'm going to wait another month. I wanted to come on here so you guys can be the first to see my hair style back when it's black. Oh yes, I'm just loving the black. It makes my heart just jump. And I wanted you guys to see it and see me doing my hair without serum for the first time. I like the way it has movement and everything, but like I said, I will return to the serum. If you guys haven't pressed that notification bell yet, go ahead and press it so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And also, if you like this video, if you learned something through this video, if you had an aha moment, or you just like the way my hair turned out, press like, because YouTube will not show my video as much if I don't get a lot of likes. That's crazy, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, and oh, what I did here is I put on a silk scarf and I just put warm and cool heat. I wrap my hair and then I put the bonnet on, which is silk, and I put the cool and warm heat on so I can get that silk press type look to it also. And I think it came out great. It's flowy, it's moving, but I feel like it's just moving a little bit too much, and I want to just put some serum on it. I thank you guys for watching, and I want you to have a great day. Stay blessed and safe.